Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood with another lecture explaining formal versus informal verbs. We prefer these words in our formal writing, which are clear, and we use dictionary-based meaning. We avoid all these kind of words which have double meaning or which may be misunderstood or which may confuse the reader or the listener. Always try to avoid these words which have double meaning and which may confuse your reader or listener. Like breakdown. We may use this phrase in many ways. Breakdown, nervous breakdown, health issue, breakdown of the budget into different heads. So if you want to say that somebody has collapsed physically or something is no longer in use, it is preferable to use collapse instead of breakdown. Childish is an insulting word. We should not say some person who is behaving foolishly as childish. We may say that he has infantile habits, or when we are referring to some children and we are saying they are doing some childish tricks or childish foolishness, we should instead use the word infantile. Similarly, when you are living somewhere and you want to tell the persons that this is the place where I live. Live is not a suitable word to use for the residence or the place where you reside. So reside is the appropriate word to use to tell the people about your address. Job is a word which can be used for any work which you are doing. It may be a house job, it may be something you are doing on your laptop or a small course at home. So instead, when you are telling about the profession or your some office work which you are doing or some profession which you have adopted for your life, for your living, you should refer it to as occupation. Similarly, idea is a greater word. It is used in so many places, and so many explanations have been given for this thing idea. You should instead say, I got a notion from your saying that this is the thing which you want to tell. Notion mean it better a word to express what the idea you have had in your mind or the thing or the understanding which you got from the people saying or from the working of the people. The thing which came into your mind should be referred to as a notion. Hurt may be physically hurt, hurt may be mentally hurt, or hurt may be used in many other ways. If you are referring to some loss which you have suffered because of someone or something happened to you, you should preferably use damage instead of the hurt. As similarly, want can be used in many ways. Want may be used as lack of something. Want may be used as your desire or what you want or what you are thinking to get in your life. So instead of want, which may have many other meanings, if you want to say, I desire to do this thing, preferably use in your formal writing and in your formal speaking desire. Similarly, build may be building a relationship. But if you want to, if you are referring to a construction of a building, you should use or preferably, it is preferable to use construct, round. round may be used similarly in many ways. If you want to say that something is round, you should be specific and use this specific word circular. If you want to make your writing concrete and picturesque, the word, if you want to make a picture with your word and a clear picture that goes to your listeners or your readers, you should use formal words and those words that are concrete and present a clear picture instead of the words which are confusing and which have double meaning. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here with another lecture of these formal and informal words. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.